Now, this is only going to be a really quick video, but I wanted to share with you 2 ways on how to keep your Midjourney more organised. Now, before we get into today's video, I just quickly want to mention that my ultimate colour and page prompt generator is now available, and if you want to check it out, there will be a link down in the description below. So, when it comes to Midjourney, there's a couple of different ways that you can stay more organised. We can create collections, like up here, and we can set up specific servers in Midjourney. Now, what I'm quickly going to do is show you how to do this. So again, when it comes to collections like this is actually pretty simple to do. The first thing that you want to do, because they've recently changed this, before we could just click on one of our images and add it to a collection. But now it seems like they've changed that and you have to do it a different way. So if you click on here where it says archive, it's going to take you to all of your images. Now from here, this is where we can start creating collections, very specific collections, just to keep things more organised. So to do this, you first want to click on this plus button just here. Once we click on that, we can go down to here, click on this little arrow just there, and then we can put add to collection. Now once you've clicked on that, we now click on add to collection just here, and this is where we can create collections. So to create a new one, you'd click on there, then you can title it, you can put a description, you can put a cover job ID. This is the ID of any specific image that you have. You can click save, and then you will have a collection. Then every time you go to add it, you can simply just click on which collection you want to add to, and it will add it in there. Now this is a great way to stay organised with your gallery. But the second way which I wanted to share is in Discord. Now me personally, I've known about this for ages. You've probably known about this as well. And that is that we can actually set up our own servers, which means we can have specific servers for specific images or niches. So with me, this one right here is not in use, but then I also have one for my ultimate colour and page prompt generator. So anything that I share in there, I can just create in here. So I have my own specific server just for everything that I share within the ultimate colour and page prompt generator. I also have one for the Vault, which is the LCB Vault, which is one of my courses. So if I want to create anything and then share it within my course, I can do that all within my own server. I also have one for clip art. So with clip art, this is something that I've recently been creating and trying to sell on Creative Market and Creative Fabrica. Now I did recently create a video all about that, and if you want to check that out, I'll link it down in the description. But then I also have one for my colouring pages and also wallpapers as well. So again, this is just a really great way to keep everything a lot more organised within Midjourney, because the majority of the time that I was using Midjourney, I just had it all set up through a direct message. I knew about how to do this, but I never implemented it until recently. So let me show you how you can quickly do this yourself and set up your own server. So what we want to do, once you're in Midjourney in Discord, you want to come to here on the left hand side where it says add server. We click on there, we go to create my own, and then we can just choose for me and my friends. We can name this. So in fact, because I haven't got one for YouTube, I'm just going to type YouTube examples. Then I'm going to have a server which anything that I want to share on YouTube, I can just create in here. So now we're going to click on create. Then we actually have to go ahead and add the server to this room. So what we're going to do is come over to here to the Midjourney section. Now if we click on here, it's going to open all the other rooms and everything for Midjourney. Now what you want to do is just simply click on practically any one of these. We're going to go to the newbies room. We're then going to find the Midjourney bot just here, which is really simple to find. We're going to click on there. We're going to go to add to server. we're going to choose right here the server that we want. So let's scroll down and choose YouTube examples. We're going to click continue. We're going to let it have access, click authorize, and now let's just click I am human. And now let's go to YouTube examples. And now, I know I've said and now a lot, we have our own server. So again, this is very simple to do, and this is just a great way to keep everything a lot more organized. Now, if I wanted to create something, I can simply put it in here, /imagine, and then I can start creating and keep everything a lot more organized with very specific servers. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm guessing that the majority of you already know how to do this, but me myself, I've known for months but just never implemented it. And now, because I've implemented it, I just wanted to share that with everyone here. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of my AI content, click right here and watch this playlist.